Hello, I'm Bill Connors with the Telepractice Community September 2017 newsletter. I'd like to talk a little bit about a frequent question on social media posts, and that is, I'm going to become a telepractitioner. Should I work under an independent contractor or an employee basis? I can tell you that the first piece of advice is to always obtain some legal or accounting counseling about this issue. It really is a little bit complicated in terms of legal and tax and employee benefit issues, as well as some regulatory concerns. So that would be our first definite piece of advice. Secondly, if you have an ongoing, established, actual speech-language pathology or rehab business, then you really have no concerns that I can see, since that's what the independent contracting relationship is all about. And the important issues that you can see if you look at some of the resources in our newsletter tend to be, are you truly independent from control? Do you provide your own tools and materials? Do you work from your own schedule? However, again, I would advise you to get counseling and to review some of the side-by-side comparisons about what an independent contractor really is. Remember to look at the state in which you are working and the state in which the agency that you're contracting with is located, so that you feel good about covering those bases. If you're still not sure, then I think what you want to look at is number 3, what are federal tax and any legal liability issues between being an employee and an independent contractor. Those are going to be some important considerations relative to professional liability insurance and the like. Number 4, consider the state regulations relative to issues such as unemployment compensation and workers' compensation, comparing as an agency the status of the people providing your services on an employee basis versus being an independent contractor. I think we sometimes overlook those, and they may be a driving force in decision making. Finally, if you're the speech pathologist providing services, I think you need to take a step back and take a look at where you are and where you want to be. As an independent contractor, you have the opportunity to control more of where your money goes and how you set up benefits for yourself within your corporation. As opposed to as an employee, you are entitled to whatever benefits are offered by the agency that employs you. Well, please be sure to take advantage of where other information lies on this bit of a sticky situation sometimes. Consulting with ASHA SIG-18, the American Speech and Hearing Association's Telepractice community, and also the 2 Telepractice pages listed here, as well as perhaps the American Telemedicine Association having some information on this topic.